Well, hello. We're back at Thorpe Park for the. We're here for the Amaze preview of The Walking Dead. So it's Walking Dead mania here at Thorpe Park, ready for half term.
Yeah.
Nicole, you were here on Saturday, and you can, I guess, fans of Nicole can go and watch her in many vlogs. There's my friend Bobby in the background. Say hello, Bobby. She won't say hello, Bobby.
Just say hello.
You've done it already, haven't you?
Yeah. Yeah.
And that ends her analysis.
Yeah. I'm not gonna. We'll see. But yeah, had a great day Saturday. I've got to do shout outs now, don't I really? Okay, so shout out to
Blackstreet Back Out. Blackstreet Back Out.
And who else? Get Binky. And who?
Get Fingered? What?
No, what? Shut up. Sorry.
Get Binky.
Yeah, and
T for two. T for two.
Yeah. My guy, my main man. Oi. But yeah.
Please don't do that ever again on my video.
I will. But yeah, had a really good time.
And the park was open late, wasn't it? This is the first of their kind of what we used to call summer nights openings, isn't it?
Yeah, and it was really good weather as well, so it felt like a summer night, to be fair. I was really drunk, not gonna lie.
Well, of course you were.
I was drinking wine out.
When were you last sober in this park? Probably when you were working here. This is going to be a sober Nicole vlog today, and the park is closed. So, which is very interesting. Because usually we're here and it's full of life. I know it's not that deep, Nicole.
Not that deep.
But it's just, usually the park is full of life when there's events going on. So
yeah.
We're off into The Walking Dead.
There's not really a lot of us today, actually.
No.
I think the only...
So...
I only know Jack that's come in.
Yeah.
Shout out Jack.
And my friend James Allgood is coming as well, but I think they're staggering the run-throughs. So the way it's going to work is Nicole's going to film herself going through the maze.
Am I?
Yep. And you get to see her scream for 3 minutes.
Oh, exciting.
So what?
Exciting.
Exactly. See you there. Saw Alive is also opening up at select dates this summer holiday, which is good of them, as it hasn't done that for ages.
AKA my green room for 2 years.
AKA Nicole's green room for 2 years. It's a very big green room.
No, it's not.
It's theming.
Yes,
Here's the
part of the theme.
saw.
Yeah, the rundown thing.
What's your favourite ride here, Nicole?
Your mum?
What's your other favourite ride here? Saw?
No, probably Stealth.
Oh, good answer.
Probably Stealth. Shut up, you're scared of it.
Yeah, I still love it though. Least favourite ride? I think I know the answer. When sober?
Colossus, actually. I don't know.
Destination's been replaced.
No, I mean, I don't like Destinator, but Colossus hurts like
It does
so
hurt. It-
badly now.
It's a shame. If they
I feel
put
like
some,
my ears are bleeding every time I go on it.
if they put some nice new cars on it,
Oh yeah,
it could be
fine.
lovely.
Yeah, it's just a shame, but
Samurai, which I remember being at Chessington, World of Adventures.
so old.
I'm not old. I'm just
Ancient.
experienced, and seem to be going the long way round. So they've moved the queue for this maze to
Slammer?
Slammer, correct. And they've, as you can hear, the music is playing. We're getting near Slammer. So let's take you along. Spoilers, I guess.
Yeah, I guess this might be spoilers if we're allowed to.
No Negan shit.
Yeah.
Oh, you a funny one. Oh, you funny.
I'm
Oh,
hilarious.
you want to be funny.
Yeah.
Oh, you won't be funny when the boss sees you. Let me see if he's ready for you. Boys!
That's why people watch my vlog. It's hilarious.
We got some fresh meat for you, boys.
About goddamn time. Get your ass in here now.
Get in there.
Get in there sooner than my foot in your ass.
The wall now! Do not speak, do not laugh! You will show some goddamn respect!
Young idiot! They're ready for you.
back. Now I'm gonna go ahead and assume you did not deliver me half your shit. Well, school is now in session, and you are gonna learn you work for me. You provide for me. Turn around now. Hands behind your head.
Put your hands behind your head.
What's it gonna be, boss?
Why don't we just kill her now and take all of her shit?
How many times do I have to tell you? People are a resource. Do you understand?
Yeah.
I'll ask you. Take your own damn advice. Get in there and see if you got what it takes to survive.
Go on, girl, move. Get in there.
I didn't even say it. What'd you say?
You alright? The action's good today.
Oh, she's sweating.
Very well. Did she do well? Uh-oh.
No. Why do you look at this?
She's very good indeed. Are you alright? No profanity.
What you call this? You're late.
Oh, I know who this is. Here we can come on you. Let's wipe one of those tears, shall we? Now, there is no crying in this chair. What did I say? That is right. Now, I think I'm gonna start with your kneecaps. I am gonna break them. Now, I'm gonna give you 5 seconds to get out of this chair to my water friends over there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh my goodness.
maze, so you can't see. This just proves how important actors are in a maze. That's the Thorpe Park Express. Nicole was scared by moving walls.
Oh my god, I didn't see that one! Oh, this is too much. Oh, there's one in there! Oh, no! There's something everywhere! Sticks are everywhere!
Cool. And we're being chased.
Bloody hell! Oh no! Jesus Christ!
This is Nicole's entourage.
Oh, I'm sweating. I'm actually sweating. It's
stink,
disgusting.
bro.
I do stink.
Wednesday Addams
Babe, I
stinks.
do stink. Oh my
You got the
goodness.
best tonight, didn't you?
Huh?
You got the best.
I'm not
tonight, didn't
sweating.
you? The 4D effects were nice with the smell of BO. That was really, really good, and it just shows how important actors are when it comes to a maze. You can have the best theming in the world, you can have the best effects, but actors make everything. There were 36 in there, all told, and let's hope they keep that up for the remainder of the half-term event. Your thoughts, Nicole?
Don't do it.
Your thoughts, Nicole?
Don't do it.
Don't do it.
Don't do it. I'm not joking. It was good. It was really, really good.
You did it a couple of days ago. Is it better?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh.
I'm lost all that. Oh yeah. That was.
When she's had a chance to compose herself, we'll get more thoughts.
Yeah.
Well, we've just done the maze the
Why are you doing
second
it that way
time.
for? Why didn't you just do it that way?
Because it's better camera.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know where we're going, but we're
Where are we going? We're going this way.
going through Saw. Anyway, to the maze twice. Really, really good. Really strong. It's always interesting with these events because, especially when you're with someone who knows 95% of the cast, you always get fun treatment. But I think if the actors put that amount of energy in, it's going to be a fab,
They
little
will.
fab maze for the
They
summer.
will. They're
Yeah.
hard-working bunch. Like, I worked with a lot of them. They will.
And we've heard that they are going to keep the actor numbers up, which is really, really good. So just bravo to Thorpe for
Yeah.
doing scare mazes in the summer,
Yeah.
which is a
Finally.
trend this year. I think some other parts are going to do them,
Yes.
which is nice. Again, Saw Live will be open in the summer. This is open from May half term. And the summer again? Do we know if they're opening it in the summer as well?
What there?
Yeah.
What? Or
Walking Dead.
I don't know. I know Saw is.
Yeah.
They probably will.
Yes. Well, so get your ass down to Thorpe Park and check out, as
That is a
Negan would say.
terrible act.
Well, you do a better Negan than I do.
I can't do it. No, I'm not going to.
Get your ass down to Thorpe Park. And
Get your ass down to Thorpe.
see, she did it.
Because I'm technically a boy.
She's technically a boy, yes. Get down to Thorpe Park and experience The Walking Dead this May half term. This has been another vlog from me and Nicole. Dabbing out.